John Barker here down in Texas. I heard all this racket going on outside. Trying to work, so I thought I'd stick my head out, and there you have it. Yeah.
We've got a hailstorm. And from the looks of it, getting big. Whoa, it's getting big quick. Whoa. Alright, let's see here. We're in Texas, and it's a clear sky, and that's not rain. That white stuff down there is a hailstorm. Take a look. And it's not pea-size either. I don't know if you can see it out there. Here, see if we can zoom in. Hailstorm on a clear day in Texas. What the heck were they thinking?
And needless to say, Dog didn't take this too well. It disturbed his afternoon nap. So there you go. Get back to work. John Barker here.